We are headed to Ikea in the middle of traffic. So this mirror kind of has like a shelf right here. I'm not sure. It's cute, the wall color though. Those are cute. This is the state of the second bedroom. It looks terrible. I've just bought an Ikea shelf, so I'm going to build it.
So first of all,
that's what we're going to be making. So that is the process. I've still got the drawers to build. Yeah, so I'll check back in. So this is what I've been up to. I decided to put the drawers there, and I kept that one. It's mainly empty except for the bottom drawer, which has Chase's paint stuff. I'm not quite sure what to do with it. His dude went there, and then my desk stayed the same. That's me. On this side is going to be like the workout area. So in the process of trying to map out this room, but that's what that looks like. Over here, it's totally different. My mom came over and helped me clear it out. So now we can actually sit on the sofa, and it's actually going to stay there with my new painting. This is the Ikea recycle. I decided to get rid of all the DVDs that were there because it just looked cluttered. I'm not sure what to do with Chase's PlayStation games. I think I might just take them to the other room and have him bring one out at a time, depending. This Ikea chair is coming, oh, not Ikea, it's a Pier 1 chair. It's the Papasan chair. It's coming out because it matches the rest of the decor. That is our shoe rack that's going to stay there. And eventually, everything you see here will be gone. I actually had someone already contact me about the Paris painting back there. And this, they're going to come pick it up today. Another girl might come pick this up later. It's just a red old Ikea couch. Over here, that console table is going to stay there. I'm just going to clear all of the school supplies that we have left over and those candles and put them in drawers. TV is actually going to be going on that wall right there. Let me turn the light on. So this, not much is going to happen. The coffee table, I am going, because it's real wood, so I'm just going to de-varnish it, I think you would call, and make everything this sort of like a light wood beige color. It looks yellow on camera, but it's not. All the black is going bye-bye. Except for that little painting up there and up there. And our bedroom, oh my gosh, it's such a mess. Well, it's not really a mess. So we sold the 2 side tables we had, so now I'm using that as my side table that was over here. And I've put Chase's laundromat there, which was in that corner there, and it was always a mess. And we could never fully open this door, and now we can. We couldn't open it because that cabinet was in that corner, and it was sort of pushed this way, so this door never really opened all the way. I'm trying to figure out a better way for that right there. Kind of like the shelves there, I kind of don't. But then if I take the shelves out, what am I going to put there? Dilemma, because then it'll just be like a big empty space. A mess too. So yep, that is the current state of our apartment. I'm not quite sure. Sorry, I haven't done my makeup or my hair like I said I was going to. Need to go home and have a shower after I go to the gym. So yeah, sorry that it doesn't look that presentable. I was hoping to get more done today, but honestly, I can't without getting all the stuff out of here. So I'm just gonna have to be patient and wait until someone wants to buy it. If a week goes by and no one wants anything, I'm just gonna donate everything to Goodwill. Everything will be gone soon.
So you got your camera?
Yeah, say hi.
Hi.
Anyways, for today we're gonna go get our nails done. with my mom, and then I might go get a pedicure with a friend later. And I need to go get the condo kind of clean because I leave in a week and a bit, a few days, so we gotta get that clean. Excuse my hair, it's decided to become a lion's den, and I had dyed it, and I think I washed it and the color like came out or something, and it's lighter now, and my shirt has like brown spots on it. I don't know if you guys can see. It's disgusting. All right. Hi guys. So today, I know it's been sort of like a weird time frame, but today is May. Gotta check because I don't know the date. May 10, Thursday, May 10, and I have to go to my apartment. I was at my parents'. I just have to double check that an Ikea furniture that I want to buy is going to fit. I have to check mail, I have to send mail, I have to pay bills, and that's what we're gonna do today. Hopefully go to Ikea too, so it's not so boring. Okay, bye guys.
It is off from filming. I hope you guys don't mind. I'm sure you didn't even notice because the video is not up yet. But I wanted to show you, I got and set up an Ikea mom desk, which is what I've been wanting so badly for this little corner here because it just fits perfectly. It was the perfect like size, length, everything, etc, etc. I really, really wanted it. But you can see Chase behind me. Chase is still out of town for 2 more months, so in these 2 months I'm going to really try and buckle down, get on my, I have a meal plan and a workout plan, so really stick to it and finish the apartment. I am so done with trying to keep renovating it and changing it and needing new things and stuff, and I feel like I'm at a point where I love everything, and if there's any final touches that Chase wants to do, then we can do those when he's here in 2 months. Which, I don't know if I told you guys, but he's been working since the end of February in Ohio, Cleveland, which is really far away from Santa Monica, California, if you didn't know where we lived. And he'll be working there until the end of July. He'll be working there until the end of July or early August. For now, let me show you the state that my house, or my bedroom is in. So this is going to most likely be my filming area. So as you can see, it's very girly, light colors. I have lights up there. I'm thinking I might move those. That's Chase. So all this stuff in the bed is all my like filming stuff, writing stuff, journaling stuff, makeup stuff. Pretty much it's all makeup or journaling and some pajamas just left here. This is the Ikea mom table, and it just fits perfectly because our bedroom is quite small, so we didn't have a lot of space for anything, and it still leaves quite a bit of room to walk. And of course my little stool I can just tuck in underneath. And as you can see here, the doorway, we still have quite a bit of room to walk, and it still leaves about 2-3 inches there, and it's skinnier there, and this was the perfect fit. There were other Ikea tables, but none of them were the same, so I really wanted this one and I got it. So that was amazing. And now let's fast forward and try and get this done.